This one is good, and this one is bad. Let's go ahead and replace it. Alright, so we can go ahead and turn it off now. Okay, so we got 4 screws here that we have to undo. Alright, let's see if we can just pick this out. There's like a clip in there. Okay, so we're gonna use this tool. Make sure you're not gonna scratch paint. It's right there. Come on, dude. Oh boy, where are you? It's right there. It's right there. How about we'll start in the bottom. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's one more here. We got good progress. I think I can just pick it up now. Oh, come on. Alright, there's one more up there. It's right here. Wow, dude. Come on, man. There we go. Okay, so there's 3 of them. This one came out the whole thing. But it's gonna be alright. Gonna unplug connector. There you go. And this is the bad one right here, which is this guy. Alright. There we go. Alright guys, so I do have these 2 light bulbs here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and then put a new one in. And please do not touch this light bulb with your bare hand, because you got like a natural oil. If this one is contaminated with your oil, the life of this light bulb is gonna get shortened. Okay, so we're just gonna go put it in. I got another one for the other side. So yeah, this is your running light. This is your reverse light, just in case you want to know. And it's going to be another running light right there. And what is this? This is going to be your brake light. This one, it looks like it's going to fail soon. Alright, now this one is ready to go back. Plug this guy, line it up. There we go. There, middle and the bottom, and you can just press it in. There we go. Go grab this. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and verify it. There you go, guys. It's on now, but you are also going to replace this guy. All right. Oops, don't go anywhere. Okay, let's see if we can manually pick this out. I doubt it. Ooh. Let's start on the top. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, when you get experience, it's gonna be a lot better, right? There you go. Okay. Make sure I don't have any unwanted oil in my hand. Take this out. Yeah, this one is also showing sign of failure. Then put this in. Alright. Huh. Easy, huh? There we go. Line this up. Oh, this one decided to stay in. Alright. Line this up. Let's start at the top, middle, and the bottom. Alright, press it in. There we go. And we're all done. Sweet. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.